Have you ever wondered how you can build wealth with $0? It's a question that stirs the curiosity, isn't it? Many of us are led to believe that amassing wealth is a game that only the rich can play, that you need a big pile of cash to even get started. But what if I told you that's a fallacy, a misunderstanding that's keeping many from growing their wealth? Today, we will debunk those myths and show you how to build wealth from scratch. First things first, building wealth begins in the mind. It's not about the size of your paycheck or the number of zeros in your bank account. It's about your mindset, your beliefs, and your attitude towards money. Imagine your mind as a garden. If you plant seeds of abundance, nurture them with positive thoughts, and weed out negativity, you'll harvest a wealth mindset. This mindset will guide your decisions and actions, leading you down the path to financial prosperity. Now let's talk about the power of a proactive attitude towards money management. You see, money is a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on the skill of the user. A proactive approach means taking control of your finances, regardless of your current situation. It means budgeting wisely, saving diligently, and investing strategically. In this journey, you're not alone. History is filled with inspiring examples of individuals who started with nothing but built immense wealth thanks to their mindset. Take Oprah Winfrey, for instance. She grew up in poverty but transformed her life through her unshakable belief in herself and her relentless pursuit of success. Or consider Elon Musk, who despite numerous failures never lost his vision and eventually built multiple billion-dollar companies. These stories remind us that wealth is not merely about money. It's about having the right mindset, the courage to take risks, and the resilience to persist in the face of adversity. Remember, your mindset is the foundation of your financial journey. Now let's talk about savings. No, you don't need money to start saving. Saving is an art that requires creativity, discipline, and a dash of resourcefulness. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. And every little bit counts. Even if it's just $1 a day, it adds up over time. So let's explore some strategies that can help you start saving, even when your budget is tighter than a drum. First, take a good look at your expenses. Are there things you can cut back on? Maybe that daily latte or the premium cable package you hardly use. These are not necessities, but luxuries. Eliminating these can free up a surprising amount of cash. Next, think about entertainment. There's a world of free or low-cost entertainment out there. Consider swapping out a few movie nights for a walk in the park or a game night at home. You'll be surprised how much fun you can have without spending a dime. And then, there's food. Eating out can put a serious dent in your wallet, but cooking at home? It's not only cheaper, it's healthier too. Start with simple recipes and soon you'll be whipping up delicious meals that save you money. Remember, saving is not about deprivation, it's about making smart choices that add up over time. Every penny saved is a step closer to your financial goal. So start today and watch your savings grow. Every penny saved is a step closer to your financial goal. So, how can you earn money without any initial investment? Well, let's delve right into it. One of the simplest ways is through online freelancing. The digital age has opened up a plethora of opportunities for savvy individuals. You can offer your skills, be it graphic design, writing, coding, or even teaching a language, to clients all over the world. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great platforms to start. The beauty of freelancing is that it doesn't require any upfront costs, just your time and talent. Next, consider selling unused items. We all have things lying around our homes that we no longer need or use. Why not turn that clutter into cash? There are numerous online marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, or even Facebook Marketplace where you can sell these items. It's a win-win situation. You're not only decluttering your space, but also padding your wallet. Finally, consider taking up part-time jobs. These could be anything from working at a local coffee shop, delivering groceries, or even dog walking. Every bit of effort counts, and every penny earned is a step closer to building your wealth. Now here's the crucial part. It's not just about earning extra money, but also about how you use the money you earn. It's tempting to spend that extra cash on a new gadget or a fancy meal. But remember, our goal here is to build wealth. So instead of splurging, consider saving or investing that money. Every dollar saved or invested is a dollar working towards your financial freedom. In the grand scheme of things, every bit of effort you make to earn extra money is a stepping stone towards your financial independence. So don't be discouraged if the amount seems small at first. Keep at it, and over time, you'll see how these small amounts can snowball into substantial wealth. Remember, the key to building wealth is not just about earning, but also about how you use what you earn. Now that you have some money saved, let's move on to investing. Investing. It's a word that might seem daunting, especially if you're just starting to build your wealth. But fear not. Investing is simply the process of allocating your money in the expectation of generating income or profit. It's a critical step in wealth creation, and the beauty of it is that you don't need to be a Wall Street hotshot to get started. Think of investing as planting a seed. With time, care, and patience, that seed can grow into a mighty tree. Similarly, your investments can grow and multiply your wealth. But where should you begin? For beginners, affordable and simple investment options are a great start. Consider index funds, for instance. These are mutual or exchange-traded funds designed to follow certain preset rules so that the fund can track a specified basket of underlying investments. Essentially, you're spreading your investments across a wide range of companies, minimizing your risk. Another option is robo-advisors. These are digital platforms that provide automated, algorithm-driven financial planning services with little to no human supervision. Robo-advisors can be a good choice if you're looking for low-cost, simple, and passive investment management. Remember, investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about consistent growth over time. As your investments grow, your wealth grows. With wise investing, your money works for you, not the other way around. And that's the beauty of it.